This is the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra, and this device doesn't just meet the standards for rugged tablet, it sets a new one. The tablet is built like a tank and packed with all-in-one features in a single device. We are talking about a powerhouse defined by three major innovations: a colossal 24,200 mAh mega battery, blasting fast 120 watts flash charging, and the world's first built-in DLP projector on a rugged tablet. It also comes with a Dimensity 7400X 5G chipset, a 64 megapixel night vision camera, and the bright 1000 lumen dual camping lights. I am really excited to test this device, so let's get started with the unboxing. The box is big, which already tells you this is a serious industrial tablet. Inside, the first thing you notice is the sheer substance of the Armor Pad 5 Ultra. It's big, solid, and immediately feels ready for anything. Putting the tablet aside for a moment, Ulefone includes everything you need. The necessary paperwork, crucially, the massive 120 watts fast charging adapter, which is essential for topping up that huge battery quickly, and nice yellow rugged cable which supports 120 watts. We also get the exclusive handle stand, a durable alloy accessory that makes carrying the 1.6 kg tablet easier and doubles as a kickstand for hands-free operation. That's everything you get in the box. Now, let's take a closer look at the tablet itself. Picking up the Armor Pad 5 Ultra feels like lifting a piece of pro-grade equipment. It's made for field work, industrial use, and emergency professionals. Its 27.8 mm thick chassis is a direct result of its extreme durability engineering, featuring thick rubberized TPU bumpers, reinforced corners, and a rugged metal alloy structure. Armor Pad 5 Ultra is its durability, and it carries the triple protection ratings you'd expect from a serious rugged device: IP68, IP69K, and military grade, as continuous immersion is typically rated for up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, ensuring resilience against dust, water, and extreme physical shock. Looking at the top side, you can see its main feature, which is the built-in DLP projector. Right next to it, there's an autofocus sensor. You also get a button here that turns the projector on and off. It's orange and you can control it manually. There's also a custom button, which I've set for the camping lights on the back. There's a ventilation area here and another one on the left side. Both of these help keep the tablet cool, especially when you turn on the fan manually. On the left and right sides, you get stereo speakers that can get quite loud. On the right side, you'll find the volume rockers and the power button, which also works as a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. You get a USB charging port and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The tablet supports dual nano SIM cards, and you can also insert a microSD card to expand the storage up to 2 TB. The standout feature of the Ultra model is its integrated DLP projector. It sits on the top edge and projects at 960 by 540 resolution with up to 200 lumens of brightness. It supports auto and manual focus with simple controls to move the focus forward or backward. You can project in auto or landscape mode, and you can adjust the brightness anytime you need. It also includes plus or minus 40 degrees auto keystone correction, which keeps the image straight even if the surface isn't. With a 26-degree upward throw angle, it's easy to use for quick presentations, sharing blueprints, or watching a movie while camping. You can project a screen from about 40 to 80 inches straight from the tablet. The screen on the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra is built to perform where you need it most. It's a large 11-inch FHD Plus display with 600 nits of peak brightness, which is essential for ensuring excellent visibility even in direct sunlight. While not reaching 120 Hz, the 90 Hz refresh rate still ensures smooth scrolling and quick performance. The whole panel is protected by rugged Corning Gorilla Glass 3, making it perfectly tough for the field. And even so, it features high-res wideband L1 support for quality video playback when you're off the clock. The tablet features dual versatile LED lights on the back, composed of 754 LEDs that can produce a maximum brightness of up to 1000 lumens. The tablet can also act as a power bank to charge other devices. You can switch between warm light, cold light, and a mixed light mode, making it suitable for various camping, fieldwork, or emergency scenarios. It also includes separate dual warning lights, red and blue LEDs that can be set to constant or flashing mode for signaling or roadside emergencies. Under the hood, it is powered by the advanced MediaTek Dimensity 7400X, built on a power-efficient 4nm process with an octa-core CPU clocked up to 2.6 GHz. This is a huge leap in performance for a rugged tablet. It's paired with a massive 12 GB of RAM with up to 20 GB of dynamic RAM expansion available and a colossal 512 GB of internal storage. Running on the latest Android 15 OS, the tablet offers all the modern connectivity you need, including 5G dual SIM support, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS and NFC. The U-Smart connector on the Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra serves as a stable, high-speed and secure interface for professional tools. It provides both power and data to the connected modules, essentially turning the rugged tablet into a specialized diagnostic and inspection device. For the rear cameras, you get two 64-megapixel sensors, a Sony IMX682 main camera that shoots detailed photos and 4K video at 30 frames per second, a 64-megapixel infrared night vision camera with 4 IR LEDs. It's great for security work, inspections, and any low light job. The front camera is 32 megapixels, so video calls look sharp and clean. I'm recording this video from the front camera of Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra, which is 32 megapixel at 1080p. This is the result you get from the front camera. This is 1x, and you can also zoom into 2x. This is 2x and this is 1x. I'm walking slowly and this is the running result. Not bad. Okay. Now I'm recording this video from the back camera of Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra, which is 64 megapixel at 4K. And this is the result you get from the back camera, 1x and 2x zoom quality. Not bad. This is 1x. Let me walk slowly. Wow, not bad. 4x. This is 1x. The Ulefone Armor Pad 5 Ultra is a real step forward. It delivers the kind of durability you need in the field, along with strong performance, a massive battery, and useful features like the built-in projector and powerful lights that actually make work easier. If you need a rugged tablet that does more than just survive, this one gets the job done. If you want to get one for yourself, check out the link in the description. Hope you enjoyed this review. Please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.